Hey y'all, come on in. Today we are making my middle child's most favorite snack in the world, kale chips. Can you believe it? She will literally eat the whole bunch to herself. It's so simple, really fast, easy to make. First you're gonna cut the ends off. Put these in the chicken bowl that I mentioned before. Then I like to, it's hard to cut them a whole big bunch at one time. Cut them in 1-inch portions. Put them on my baking dish or sheet. You could use a baking dish or sheet. 1-inch portions. Maybe you can hear the kids upstairs right now. All right, next, and be very careful with the salt because it is very easy to over salt kale chips because as they cook, they're gonna shrink down. So I salt my kale chips, a little olive oil, then mix them up. So the olive oil is coating all of your kale. So another way to mix it, if you don't want to use your hands, personally I hate the way that oil feels on my hands, so you could use tongs and just turn them. Sometimes I use a large bowl, put everything into the bowl first, then mix it in there. That works well for me too because then I don't have to touch the oil on my hands. All right, we're gonna put these into a 350-degree oven. It's gonna be about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to give it a stir and show you halfway through process where some will probably already start to be crispy and some will be not so crispy yet, a little bit still on the raw side. All right, so we're gonna check on our kale. So they're starting to wilt a little bit. I usually give them a turn. Come closer and you can start to hear the crispiness. All right, so I spread it back out. Probably, so some people are gonna like it crispy like this. Some people prefer it a little bit more chewy. Okay, we have the finished product. This tray is a little more crispy. I left them in longer. This tray is a little bit more tender still. Hear that? Delicious.